On behalf of the U.S. Department of State and the American people, it brings me great joy to wish a happy, healthy, and prosperous Nowruz to all of our friends around the world who celebrate this ancient holiday. As Americans, we rejoice along with Afghans, Albanians, Azerbaijanis, Iranians, Iraqis, Kazakhs, Kurds, Kyrgyz, Pakistanis, Parsis, Tajiks, Turks, Turkmen, Uyghurs, Uzbeks, and all others around the world who come together to celebrate the arrival of spring and a new year. Nowruz, or New Day, begins at the vernal equinox and marks the first day of spring. It is a time for reflection of the past year, visiting with friends and family to share a meal or exchange greetings, and rejoicing in the promise of days to come. For some, including Zoroastrians, Baha'is, and some Muslims across the globe, it is a day that also holds religious significance. Looking ahead, we hope that the spirit of Nowruz will continue to invigorate and renew all our relationships around the world. Happy Nowruz to one and all.